everyone, welcome back. What a glorious day. It's sunny. Yeah, we really love to have some sunshine because this winter so far have been very cold and miserable. We got -4 degrees Celsius this morning. It was so cold. Everything was frozen and very heavy frost. Yeah, anyway, you can see the sun there. Wow, 11:30 a.m. at the moment. And in this video, I want to give you the update. How's my volunteer Camellia doing? Last year, I think in several videos, I did show you about this Camellia. This one, look at it. This is just gorgeous Camellia. Do you know, in this time of the year, yeah, you can really enjoy your roses, but a lot of other things that you can enjoy as well, especially at the moment, Camellia. This variety bloomed quite early to compare my other variety I got in the backyard, but also I think because of the position, this area it has more sun than the area that I got the backyard, where I have several container of the Camellia as well. So I think those they bloom a little bit later than this guy. So I got this Camellia for I think about 3 years now. And this year it kept bulking up, and it stays in container for 3 years, the same 3 years. And after 3 years, you can see the soil have sunk down so much. So I have time today, so I thought that I gonna repot it, but also I got another plant or Camellia, the same volunteer. I did show you, I think in the video that I installed the arbor. That one is it was very small, and now it's still very small, but it's in the container for a while as well, and I think I'm gonna repot it the same day too. Yeah. Anyway, so if I can show you on the other side, maybe not. Anyway, when I pull the container out, I can show you a little bit better. So I want to dig up one of my Camellia further back in this area as well. I think I planted together with you maybe 2 years ago. The Camellia, I'm not sure you can see, but it's that corner over there next to the elderberry. That's Camellia. It have a white and creamy and yellow in the center, but you know, the whole summer, the whole season, and the tree just got smashed or how to say, squashed by the other trees around it. So I think I'm gonna dig it up and put it in the container. Oh, let me walk over there and I show you. So you can see I planted it, that one, I think about 2 years ago. Can you see it? The green there. Yeah, I planted it 2 years ago, and I have some flowering buds over a year, but I hardly have a chance to come to next to the fence here to enjoy some of the bloom. But also in the winter, we always have a quite heavy frost, so it's always have a frost burn, so I can't really enjoy it. So I'm gonna put it up in the container. And I want to give you the quick update about this apricot tree. This one that my neighbor grew it from the seeds, and she gave me, and I got few seasons of the fruit from this tree. Last year though, I got a lot of fruit set, but after that I didn't have much of the fruit when the fruit ripened, because we got quite a bit of rain at that time, and the fruit just got moldy and got split. Yeah, I did notice that this variety or this type is not good disease resistant like my grafted apricot tree I planted in my backyard. That's the Moore Park variety, and this is just the seasoning. Right, come over here. But also let me show you this one. I did notice they got some, you know, tearing back over there. Do you think this one it have canker as well? And on the branch as well. So I think I might have to cut those branches off. See, the branch is quite bad. You know, it have quite long section got affected, well, 20 centimeter. So I think I might cut it, or I just chop the tree down, because I did notice that this tree it doesn't have good disease resistance because of the fruit just split so fast when we have a good amount of rain. I did notice that my other apricot tree in my backyard, that's the Moor Park, and so far I haven't seen any quankers at all. So I think maybe because of the grafted variety, they grafted on good disease resistant rootstock. Alright guys, I got to finish the job quite late because I got busy after I talked to you in the first clip of the video. It was like around 11:30 a.m. This is the small volunteer Camellia I did show you not long ago actually in the video that me and my daughter we try to install the metal arbors. Yeah, this one is the container is next to the feet of the arbor, but I thought that I gonna move it to this spot because the flying bud is starting to open and I got to enjoy the bloom a little bit longer because it's quite close to the house, so it got a little bit protected from the frost. If you grow camellia for a while or the rhododendron, you could know that they love the soil a little bit like acidic. But for me, I have tried several varieties, even both camellia and rhododendrons. They don't mind the potting mix that I use. So in here I use Martin premium potting mix. I do love the brand. It's very versatile when for a lot of the plants that I growing, from roses and for camellia as well. I think it could be the plant could be happier if it got some direct sunlight, but I'm out of room. But I might able to move the plant into the front yard when I look around a little bit more or careful to find a spot for it. Anyway, it stays in this spot for now. And the plant the root bone of the plant is sunk down all the way down here, half of the way to the container. And poor thing is staying in the container for around 3 years. And it will got neglected very much actually. And in here I got something exciting I want to show you. I got tiny little seasoning of the sea lemon. And last year after they formed the pot, seed pot they got dry, and I just broke the pot and I just scatter seeds around, and I do see some other little baby around it as well. Oh no, I'm not sure you can see it, but some here and some here as well. Oh yeah, I could got few baby plants later. You can see that shoot there, right? But I just pinch one of the elephant leaf and I covered it to kind of protect the tiny little plant from the frost. And on this side, I do have rhododendron and other camellia here as well. These two guys really need to repot as well. You can see the soil has sunk down so much, or quite deep there already. And the same for this camellia, and the tree kind of leaning as well. So I need to fix it. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. I moved the camera. Okay, so you can see full of buds at the moment. I'm excited because these I think double flower, and they got gorgeous bloom form. And the same container I did show you in the installing arbor, I move it to the feet of the arbor. After that, I decided to move it back here so I can protect the bloom from the frost, and I got to enjoy them a little bit longer. And here I'm in the front yard, the corner here, you could see I put the container back in that corner, next to the tap actually. And then I lift the plant all the way up, you could see that, but I do need to top it up a little bit more potting mix or compost, because you could see the roots a little bit on the surface over here, and the blooms just gorgeous. Look at it. I highly recommend this volunteer camellia. And camellia, for me anyway, obviously on the type that I just showed you, they don't have a huge root system. Even I got going in the container for 3 years, but their root is very manageable. Look at it. And this container, I've been this plant I think about 3 years old since I bought it, or 3 years since the time I bought it. They just full of bud. And very opposite to, the size very opposite to the one that I just showed you from the backyard. That one will chop up my one of my friend's son. He just used my secateurs and cut it. I was very sad about that actually. But look at it, just enjoy the bloom. Look at the bloom, just so fluffy. And another container of the camellia over here. This one have a creamy white color. I went to the picture on the screen so you could see. But this one I dug it from the garden. And this one got charcoal so much because the root competition, but also for the sunlight as well. By so lots of other plants around it. Anyway, I hope you're doing better from now. I water it in, but after that, what do you say, the potting mix like going down, and we will some of the potting mix or some of the roots actually. So I just top a little bit of mushroom compost there, just a little bit, not too much though, because they don't like mushroom compost, it's quite alkaline for them. Yeah. Anyway, few flowering but here. I hope that I have a chance to enjoy them, because every year, or in the last 2 years, on the buds just got frozen, or as soon as the buds open, and they just got shriveled by the frost. So that is for the video today. I hope that you enjoyed this video and you don't mind. I just threw some random videos for you. Yeah, just kind of quiet winter for me, so I really like to get several things done during this time. Thank you again, and you have a beautiful day. Oh, let me know what variety of the camellia is your favorite and got going in your yard. I would love to hear from you. Thank you, and bye bye.